Playbooks are digital resources your team can use to share and access important information, like standard operating procedures, emergency response plans, employee handbooks, and more. To get started with the Playbook module, click Admin in the portal menu, click the Setup icon, click System Modules, and turn on Digital Playbooks. You can enter a custom name for Playbooks, such as Standard Operating Procedure. When you're done, click Save. To access the Playbook module, click Admin in the portal menu, then click the Playbook icon. To add a new playbook, click Add. Enter a name for the playbook, then select the languages you want the playbook to be available in. Please note that you can choose to add manual translations or system-generated auto-translations. Auto-translations may contain mistakes, so please review and check the translated playbook carefully for any errors. When you're done, click Add. To deactivate a playbook, click the X icon, then click Deactivate. To reactivate a playbook, click the Deactivated tab, click the Reactivate icon, then click Reactivate. To purge a playbook, click the Purge icon, enter the purge code, then click Purge. To edit content in a playbook, click the pencil icon, then turn on Edit. While you're in edit mode, you can add, edit, and remove chapters and sections. Chapters help you structure your playbook and group information together. For each chapter, you can create subchapters, and for each subchapter, you can create sub-subchapters. To add a new chapter, click Add Chapter. Enter a name for the new chapter, add translations for the remaining languages, then click Save. To add a subchapter, click the plus icon next to an existing chapter. To change the order of chapters, click and drag the chapter to the desired position, then click Save. To edit a chapter name, click the pencil icon, enter the new chapter name, then click Save. To deactivate a chapter, click the minus icon, then click Deactivate. Deactivating a chapter will automatically deactivate any of its subchapters. To reactivate a chapter, click Show Deactivated Chapters, click the Reactivate icon, and click Reactivate. To permanently delete or purge a deactivated chapter, click the Purge icon, enter the purge code, then click Purge. To add a new section to a chapter, click Add Section. To add text, links, and images, click New Paragraph. Add your text, links, and images, then click Save. To add a video, click New Video, enter a YouTube or Vimeo link in the video link field, then click Save. To delete a section, click Delete, then click Delete again. To edit a section, click Edit, update the content of the section, then click Save. To access Playbook settings, click the Settings icon. To edit the playbook name, click Edit Name, enter the new name, then click Save. You can control which users can view a playbook by changing the permissions. You can assign playbook permissions in 4 ways. First, by location. All users in the selected location will have access. Please note that users in sublocations are not included. Second, you can assign permissions by company role. Third, you can assign permissions by system user role. And fourth, you can grant permission to specific users. Please note that each type of permission works independently. For example, if you select a company role and a location, users only need to meet one of those conditions to access the playbook. For system user role and individual user permissions, you can turn on the Write option. Users with write permissions can edit chapters and sections of the playbook. You can designate an individual user as the owner of the playbook. Owners have write permissions and can receive update reminders. You can set up an automatic recurring update reminder. This will send a notification to the playbook owner if the playbook hasn't been updated in the designated timeframe. You can automatically add a playbook to all your subportals. Subportals will be able to adjust permissions for users in their portal, but can't edit or delete the playbook. When you're done changing playbook settings, click Save. The Notes section contains information about what changes were made to the playbook. You can add manual notes by typing in the Add Notes field and clicking Add Notes. You can search for notes by typing in the Search Notes field and hitting Enter on your keyboard. Thanks for watching this guide. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.